In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your IP address and name server in Hostinger for 2020. Whether you're setting up a new site or troubleshooting an existing one, knowing how to locate this information can be incredibly useful for managing your website effectively. Let's start by heading to the Hostinger homepage. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the address hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you arrive at the Hostinger homepage, you will likely need to log in with your credentials. Enter your email and password and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now that you're on the homepage, locate the Websites option on your dashboard. This button is usually positioned in a prominent area, making it relatively easy to spot. Click on Websites, which will take you to a list of all the sites you're currently managing with Hostinger. Next, select Dashboard for the specific website whose IP address or name server you want to find. The dashboard is the nerve center of your site management, the place where most settings and tools are available. Here, you'll have an overview of your website's performance and settings. To proceed, find the Advanced option. This section holds a variety of tools for more experienced users, and it's where we'll find the specific information we're looking for today. By clicking Advanced, you are stepping into a more detailed management area for your website. Once inside the Advanced section, look for SSH Access. Clicking this will likely bring you to a new page or window within Hostinger's platform. SSH Access is a secure method used to connect to your server. But don't worry, today we're only focusing on identifying your IP. Finally, click on IP. This is the step that will reveal the server information you need. You'll see details like your server IP address displayed prominently on the screen. You might want to jot this information down or take a screenshot for safekeeping. There you have it, folks. A straightforward rundown of how to find your IP address and name servers on Hostinger for 2023. Remember, knowing where to find your server's IP can be a real lifesaver when troubleshooting or setting up domain-related features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more web management tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more tutorials that help make managing your websites a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy hosting!